Savvexposure. We are at the Westin Nanea Ocean Villas. As you can see, it's right next to the ocean, which is absolutely amazing, absolutely beautiful. The Hawaiian architecture, the ergonomics that's installed in here to increase the sustainability. It's just an amazing property. I'm doing a review on it, so make sure you continue to watch, make sure you like and subscribe. Love you to hear from Savvexposure. Hey, this is Savvexposure, and today I'm at the Westin Nanea Ocean Villas. We're going to give you a tour of the resort, including amenities, their villas, their rooms, and what you can expect from the architecture to the ecosystem and views around here. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. Here at the Westin Nanea Ocean Villas, they've put an immense focus on intertwining culture with architecture. So as soon as you walked into the West End, you immediately see the Hawaiian culture and how it's tied into the architecture, into the very fabric of the resort. As you look up to the ceiling, you see this really interesting design, this mesh, this network. What it's actually symbolic of is a net, a fisherman's net. And what the resort is doing here in the architecture, they're paying homage to the Hawaiian culture. Today we have Miss Jasmine Valdez, one of the managers here at the West End. She's going to help provide us with some information and also help guide us during this tour.
Pretty much everything around on this property is all around the Hawaiian culture and sustainability. So our core values and our pillars are cultural, community, and sustainability. So the first piece we'll look at is our culture. So Keola, he actually works in our cultural team.
Okay.
So we'll show you the cultural area here. So we offer a lot of offerings to our guests. So anywhere from hula to playmaking and all that. So now with COVID, it's a little interesting to go through. So a lot of it is kind of virtual. We'll give you some kits to get out there. But they're here Monday through Friday to offer services to our guests. Okay. And so this is called Westin Nanea, which is a sanctuary for Hawaiian culture. So you'll go in here, you can see all of our artifacts as well as information about the Hawaiian culture that they share with our guests. And you have to sign up with activities through the front desk.
Okay.
But we're kind of one of the only properties that have a cultural center at their property.
Here, normally, of course, when we don't have all the restrictions, we normally have some of our classes in here. Anything from Hawaiian language to lauhala weaving to even fresh flower lei making. Right now, of course, with all the restrictions that we do have, we're kind of, trying to figure out kits to give to folks that they can take it home. That way there's no touching or anything like that. And we do have our retail space that we normally do demonstrations at least once a day. On Fridays we have all day and we do different demonstrations. And yeah, it's a wonderful room. There's a lot of things that you can look at. It's a great educational piece for our hotel, especially the fact that the hotel is based on the Hawaiian culture. So it's nice to have a place of our own and to have a say on what goes on in the hotel as well.
So when we built this building, it was all about sustainability, energy, and environmental design. Okay. So with our landscaping and how it is, it literally cut our consumption for like water down to like 60%. So this whole property, out of all the properties that I've ever worked for, is the most impactful on our environment, and that's how they wanted it. So kind of learn from other properties how to do things. But definitely here they focus on the sustainability part of it.
I love the openness it kind of brings. Usually, like you go to hotels,
it's like, very, yes.
Like you're in, and I think especially being places like you're on an island, you want to be outside.
Exactly.
And then like the whole ergonomic structure, I think is amazing.
Yeah, and the Nanea is called it's the it's called tranquility. So relax, to be a state of relaxation. So you want to be here, you want to be able to just walk around and feel relaxed. So you don't want that kind of busyness. That's why they have a lot of open areas. Our pool deck is about 10,000 square feet. So you have a lot of space out there. It's a vacation ownership property. So I'll take you to one of our 3 bedrooms. Okay. So those are our largest rooms. But a lot of it is, geared towards the family, but there's a lot of couples that come here too as well. They like the convenience of And so, yeah, they've done, that's why I love the designs that they have on every building, and the nameplates that they have on it, because it's literally, it describes every part of what.
Now this is the biggest and the best villa here at the Westin. This is the 3-bedroom ocean view villa. As soon as you step into this room, you're immediately struck by awe at the urban designs tied into the Hawaiian culture and colors. The first thing you see when you walk in is this absolutely amazing kitchen. As you can see, it's very large, very spacious, and it is full size, fully stocked. Now the kitchen just flows into the living room. One thing about the living room, it has this urban design, but yet it still has this homey feel. Now just take in this view from the patio. Imagine this being something you have access to each and every day while you're staying here. Now as you walk into the first bedroom, you see it really has a cool and cunning design. Each one of these rooms has their own kind of theme. Now here we have bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 has its own intricate designs. You can see it's kind of brighter with these lighter tones. It just overall has a much chiller vibe. It still has a king-size bed, side tables, desk, TV, the ocean view, just like we're going to see in the other rooms. It's going to be standard in all the rooms. Now just look at this bathroom. This huge mirror with these vanity lights right behind the glass. Of course you have a toilet. It's just an amazing bathroom. This is truly a luxury bathroom. So as we enter this last room, this is the master suite. So you're going to get everything you absolutely think of when it comes to a master suite. You're going to have this king, luxurious, plush bed. You're going to have the same ocean window views that you had in the last rooms. You're going to have this bathroom attached, and this bathroom has a complete different twist on it and its style and how things are kind of set up. You can take a look here. Now, which room do you like the best? Make sure you comment below and let me know. Now that we're done looking at this breathtaking villa, it's time to take a look at some more of the resort.
And then our pool deck, like I said, is about 10,000 square feet. Right now we social distance everything, so this has been working out pretty well. We do have our Aqualani desk, which is our beach activity. So therefore you guys, during the day, there's rentals that we can do, and we actually provide beach services for the everyone that comes by. Yeah. A little kiddie pool area. You can walk down to the beach. Out of all the properties that I've worked at, this is my favorite one, just because it's a smaller setting, and then just the design of it.
So what other properties have you worked at?
I worked at the Grand Wailea, the Ondas, the Sheraton. Did a lot of front office management, so I've been in all of those places, but this by far is my favorite.
Okay.
So we've got cabana, barbecue grills back here. Same thing, the retention pond, and then these plunge pools are very small, so right now we have to have them closed due to social distancing, but back here is where the tranquility area, right?
Overall, I look at this villa and I see an amazing space that I think each and every one of you would enjoy. So if you're watching this video and you're blown away and say, hey, I want to plan a trip so I can stay at this resort or come to this area, or you're already planning a trip and say, I gotta stay there, feel free to shoot me an email. I'll make sure it's in the description below, and you can contact me asking any questions. I can pass you along to one of the managers there to help you get some bookings going. I'm also taking several trips and groups there throughout the year, so if you want to be a part of that or you want some more information about that, feel free to send me an email. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe. Love, peace, and hair grease. Savvy Exposure out.